Once you've created a unique biped, you can save the structure of that biped in a figure file. And then later you can load that figure file onto a different biped, and the structure of the first biped will be duplicated on your new biped. And that's what we're going to look at in this movie. So first I'll go to the Systems category, choose Biped, and create a biped in the Perspective viewport. Then I'll go to the Motion panel, get into Figure mode, open up the Structure rollout, and I'll give this biped some neck links. Give him a couple of ponytails here too. 5 links there, and 5 links here. So there's a bit of a unique structure. I'll just zoom extents. Now I'll go up into the front viewport, Alt-W, hit H, and I'm going to select the top link in Ponytail 1. I'll also turn on the angle snap here so that my rotations will go in increments of 5 degrees, and choose the rotation tool. And I'm going to rotate that 25 degrees off center. Hit H again. Choose the top link in Ponytail 2 and rotate that 25 degrees the other way. Hit H once more. Hold down the Control key. Select the top link in Ponytail 1. So I now have both top ponytail links selected. Click Select. I'm going to hit the space bar to lock that selection in and just rotate those up 180 degrees. Hit the space bar to unlock that selection. Alt-W. Go down into the Perspective viewport. Alt-W again. And just take a look at this. So that's what I have so far. And Alt-W, go back into the front viewport. Alt-W again. I'm going to choose my Scale tool and choose the top left arm. Now I'm going to use the Symmetrical button here. And what that does is it makes my selection symmetrical. Since I had the top left arm selected, it selects the top right arm. Now I'll hit the space bar to lock that in, grab the X-axis, and drag up. So that's lengthening those top arms. Now I'll hit the space bar to unlock that selection, and I'll go select the left thigh. Once again, hit the Symmetrical button. So now I have both thighs selected. Hit the space bar to lock that in, and grab the X-axis, and I'll drag upwards to make those smaller. Now the next thing I want to select is the 2 lower legs. I can do that just by hitting Page Down. I don't even have to unlock. Just hit Page Down, and they're now both selected. Grab the X-axis and go downwards. Now I'll hit the space bar, get out of the Scale tool, Alt-W, go to the Perspective viewport, Alt-W again, zoom extents, choose the Arc Rotate tool. So let's say that this is the figure that I want. So the first thing I'll do is save, and I'll just call this file Foodle01. So I've saved my Max file, but I have not saved a figure file yet. So in the next movie, that's what I'll be starting with, creating a figure file.